Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make the travel insurance for your visa application. We will go to Alliance Travel website. Then we will click on travel insurance and Schengen product. After then we will go to this is Schengen travel insurance. We will go to get a code. Click on single trip, then on standard product. Enter the start date, from which date you want the insurance starts. And the end date of the insurance. I will give 1 month insurance for my visa application. Then I will enter the destination. My destination is Greece. Then I will click on submit button. After then it will ask you for your age. I have entered the age 28. We don't have any promo code, then so we will submit it. After then it will ask you which insurance you want with the benefits. I will select first insurance. I will click on purchase button. After then here I will write my first name, last name, date of birth, passport number. Actually you give their age 28, so that's why it's showing 93 and 94 year only. Here I will enter passport number. Enter your phone number here and then email address. And click on confirm and pay button. Your insurance is of AED 105. Enter your card detail and click on pay 105 AED. Then you will receive this insurance in your email address. I will show you this kind of insurance will receive in your email. Before I have done this insurance, so I am sharing with you my old insurance which I have done for my Schengen visa. This kind of insurance you will get in your email address. It covers all your trip. That's all guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.